3450-20, Milwaukee's compact brushless. Fully charged, 5 amp hour, high output, and 1/2 inch nut driver on a 6-inch long, 3/8 thick lag screw. See if this little bad boy can handle it. It's really pretty powerful for so small, and it's very convenient for above engine type, like small little bolts and nuts on the engine or a car, or just around the house. Deck screws, perfect. Can it drive this big ass lag? Well, let's see. This is about the max this thing can handle. Sunk her home. Did not come out the side. Missed all that. Straight wood. See you on the next one.